in this session we are going to learn law of conservation of energy. What is law of conservation of energy? That is the total energy, that is mechanical energy, is the sum of kinetic energy and potential energy. Kinetic energy. So law of conservation of energy says that, it states that energy neither be created, not destroyed. It can be converted from one form to another form. మనం శక్తిని సృష్టించలేము మరియు నాశనం చేయలేము. కానీ ఏమవుతుంది, దానిని ఒక రూపంలోంచి మరొక రూపంలోనికి మార్చవచ్చు. హియర్ ఇస్ ద బెస్ట్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, బెస్ట్ అప్లికేషన్ ఆఫ్ లా ఆఫ్ కన్జర్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ ఎనర్జీ ఇస్ నథింగ్ బట్ pendulum, simple pendulum. This is known as simple pendulum. What we call it? Simple pendulum. See, this is the bob. This is now the bob is at rest, the pendulum is at rest. Okay na, virama sthanam antamu. It is the mean position. I pull the pendulum to one side. Okay, this is known as extreme position. When I release it, after this one, this is the extreme position. So when I pull to this side, okay, and it goes to that side also. To certain height, after this one. This is the extreme position. Okay, that is also an extreme position. E1, E2 are the extreme positions. This is the mean position. So when the bob is here at the extreme position, it has potential energy. So when I release the bob, what is happening? This potential energy is gradually converted to kinetic energy, because here the bob is at maximum height. So it has the maximum potential energy. At this point, at this extreme end, it has the maximum potential energy. When the bob is moving like this, height is decreasing. Slowly its velocity is increasing. It is gaining the kinetic energy. At this mean position, after this one, when the bob comes to this position, it has maximum kinetic energy, but the potential energy is 0. Okay, again after this one, the bob goes to this extreme end. When I pull it and release it, so it moves to this side, after this one. So this is another extreme position. At this position also, it has the potential energy, maximum potential energy, because here it has the height, maximum height. So it has maximum potential energy. Here it is at rest, means the initial velocity is 0 na. So kinetic energy is 0 at the extreme position, this extreme position also. Okay, when I release it, what is happening here? After this one, this potential energy is converted to kinetic energy. Height is gradually decreasing and potential energy is also gradually decreasing. The height is gradually increasing. So slowly it is gaining potential energy. And kinetic energy is 0, it is losing the kinetic energy. And at this position, it has maximum potential energy and kinetic energy is 0. Once the velocity is 0, again it starts swinging this side. Are you clear about that one? So in between these two positions, extreme positions, the potential energy is converted to kinetic energy is converted to potential energy. So here the total mechanical energy of the system remains constant. Are you clear about that one? So this is law of conservation of energy. Here after this one, here already I have written this series one. This is the mean position. M is the mean position. Okay, I pull the bob to this side. Okay, when I release it, this is the extreme position, this is also another extreme position. So the bob began to oscillate in between extreme positions. Here it height is maximum. Maximum height means maximum potential energy. Kinetic energy is 0. At this position, kinetic energy is 0. So when the bob is swinging to this side, what is happening? Potential energy is converted to kinetic energy. Are you clear about that? Height is slowly decreasing. At this position, its height is 0 and kinetic energy is maximum. Again the bob is swinging this side. When it is going up means the height is increasing. Height is increasing, kinetic energy is transferred to potential energy. So kinetic energy and potential energy, the sum of kinetic and potential energy becomes constant. It is always constant, which is nothing but mechanical energy. What we call it? Mechanical.